There needs to be increasing complexity of language in storybooks from early childhood to elementary levels. Each stage of language development helps the child move forward and become a stronger reader. Picture books help introduce beginning deaf readers to the concept of viewing and reading a book. For the first stage, each page has an image with 1 or 2 words, or possibly no words. That means the sign language video for each page is very short. For the next stage, it is best for readers to use books that have 1 image and 1 sentence per page. The sign language video for these books will be short as well. At the next stage, readers need books that have 2 or 3 sentences per page. The sign language video for these will be a bit longer per page of content. As readers progress to higher stages, they require books that have a block of written sentences per page. For each page, the sign video might be longer to convey the same message. When you create a storybook for deaf children, consider deaf-centric story genres, such as sign language rhyme, which utilizes the same hand shape for the whole story. For example, for a sign language rhyme, you can create a story with words using only the 1 hand shape shown on the far left. In the second column, these images show 1 red, which is on the top image, 1 worm, the second image, cries, the third image, because it gets hurt, the bottom image. The signer can continue telling the rest of the story with the 1 hand shape. When you create a storybook for deaf children, consider sign language rhyme, which follows deaf beats that use numerical patterns. This image shows a deaf beat example in the 1-1-3 program using a bent hand shape 5. The images on the right, from top to bottom, show Tigger shifting left, Tigger shifting right, walk, walk, walk. When you translate a story from a written language into a sign language, the goal should be to keep the story meaning the same. As you translate a written story into sign language, be sure to use correct sign language structure, including hand shape, movement, location, facial expression, body shifts, sentence structure, and others. The use of a deaf signer instead of a hearing sign language interpreter is critical.